If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl's back with another video. I know I gotta fix my hair. I'm gonna pick it out. I'm gonna do my edges. You know, the shrinkage is real. I need to recolor my hair, y'all. But it's definitely growing. Cause do y'all remember when I did that video where I cut it while it was straight? Bad mistake. But I'm definitely not gonna straighten it for a very long time. Maybe a year, 6 months, something like that. But I'm finally back, y'all. I had like a face breakout and I really was trying to stay away from makeup and really heal my face before I like put anything on it. So like it's still a little there, but it's going away. Let me show y'all. Just stay in. Like, do it really hurt to just stay in? And I feel like it'll be good to just like, it's good. Like, people should use this time to really figure out what they want to do, and to really, people with businesses, their own business, you know, really just use this time and like grow and be better and like, you know, figure out new stuff for their websites and stuff. And then who are always out and up and running, like they should use this time to really, you know, collect themselves and really, you know, kind of get themselves together, because it's, you know, they're so used to, they don't have time for themselves. So they should be using this time for themselves. And I don't know why I'm out of breath, and I don't know why I feel like nervous making this video, but I don't know why, y'all. But stop being so selfish and like think about other people. I'm just gonna blend it. Like, I don't get people. I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Like, this is the perfect time to really spend time with your family, spend time with your kids. And now I'm gonna be using this palette, okay, the Julia's Place palette, because I'm gonna be using this color, but I'm going to use this as a transition time to really, you know, work on your businesses, and use this time to work on yourself, especially if you never had time for yourself. Like, that's all you gotta do. Like, protect people. Like, people need to stop being so selfish. Like, but also, you know, next subject, but I'm probably gonna come back to this subject. But the next subject I want to talk about is, I want to thank everyone that's been subscribing to my channel and liking my channel, even though I have not been posting. Like, people really been watching my older videos, and I just been seeing that my subscribers been growing, and I haven't really been posting videos, but people are still watching the older videos, and I just really appreciate everyone that's still rocking with me and supporting my channel, even though I haven't been the best recently with uploading videos and stuff. And I'm going in this brown shade right here. But yeah, I'm just gonna blend it out. Let me see what brush this is. This is a Morphe brush. This is a Morphe brush. This is the E17 brush, and I'm just gonna be blending that in my crease. Okay, my loves. Now I'm gonna be going in that light shade right here as a lid color. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna be using my liquid liner, my NYX liquid liner. And, you know, because y'all know I love my liquid liners, my wing liners. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using my favorite foundation, perfect for on a budget makeup look. Perfect. Okay, so y'all already know these are my favorite. If you did watch, was it my last video? No, the video before my last video, the foundation routine. And I did moisturize my face. I used this since my face been breaking out. I use this at the moment, the Skin Therapy Oil, the Cocoa Butter Formula, and the Tea Tree Drops. And I mix them together. Okay, and the concealers I use is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand 475 and the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Toffee. I mean, not Toffee, Fawn, my favorite, Fawn. This is the finished look. Y'all know I love the gold, the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife in the inner corners of the eyes. I just gotta do my hair and stuff, but this is the look. It's mad simple. Now I'm just gonna set my face with the Morphe setting spray. I need to be careful with it because I'm running low. But thank y'all for watching, and go check out my foundation routine to know all the products that I used on my face. But yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe.